Welcome to our channel! Today we're diving into an incredible journey of turning just $5 into $5,000 in just 1 week. Yes, you heard that right. We're gonna break down the steps, the mindset, the hustle, everything you need to make that happen. Listen, I'm all about giving you the real talk, the no BS blueprint to winning with money. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, okay? This is about understanding the game, putting in the work, and seeing those results. So, if you're ready to level up your financial game, strap in, because we're about to get real practical, real strategic, and real fired up about making that $5 work harder than it ever has before. Let's get started.
Look, we got to start with the real deal here. Money. It's the one thing that affects us all, no matter who we are or where we come from. What does it even mean, right? It's not just about dollar signs and commas. It's about the value we place on it and how it shapes our lives. It's about the power it gives you. The power to make choices, to chase your dreams, to provide for yourself and the people you love. It's the freedom to live life on your own terms. Think about it. Money impacts every single decision you make, whether you realize it or not. From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed, money is a constant factor. That coffee you grab in the morning, that's a money decision. It's a small choice, but it adds up over time. That new shirt you've been eyeing, money decision. Every purchase, big or small, is a reflection of your financial priorities. The ability to take that vacation, buy that house, invest in your future. You guessed it, money. It's the enabler of experiences and opportunities. But here's the thing, too many people let money control them, instead of the other way around. They let it dictate their happiness and stress levels. They let fear, doubt, and limiting beliefs keep them stuck in a scarcity mindset. This mindset can be paralyzing, preventing them from seeing the bigger picture. What we need to do is flip the script. We need to change our relationship with money and see it as a tool for empowerment. We need to understand that money is a tool, a resource, and like any tool, you gotta learn how to use it to your advantage. It's about strategy and smart decisions. Stop seeing limitations and start seeing possibilities. Open your mind to the potential that money holds. That $5? That's not just $5. That's opportunity knocking. It's the beginning of something greater. It's the seed of something much bigger. With the right mindset and actions, it can grow into financial security and freedom. So let's change the conversation around money. Let's talk about how we can use it to build the life we want. Let's empower ourselves to understand it, master it, and use it to create the life we truly want. It's about taking control and making informed choices. Because when you're in control of your finances, you're in control of your destiny, and that, my friends, is the ultimate power. Let's be real, life is just easier with money. It's not just about the luxuries, but the everyday peace of mind. And no, I'm not talking about private jets and yachts, although hey, if that's your thing, more power to you. It's about the freedom and security it brings. I'm talking about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you can cover your bills without breaking a sweat. It's about having a cushion for emergencies. Imagine this. No more stressing about rent, no more racking up credit card debt, no more having to say no to opportunities because you can't afford it. It's a different kind of freedom. That's the power of having your finances in order. It gives you confidence and control over your life. But it goes beyond just paying the bills. Money opens doors. It creates opportunities that you might not have considered before. It gives you the freedom to pursue your passions, to travel, to invest in your education, to start that business you've always dreamed of. It allows you to take risks and explore new horizons. On the flip side, not having enough money can make life a constant uphill battle. It can feel like you're always playing catch-up. It's a weight on your shoulders, holding you back from experiencing life to the fullest. It can drain your energy and enthusiasm. It can strain relationships, impact your health, and limit your options. Financial stress is a silent killer of dreams and well-being. And trust me, I've been there. I've felt the pressure and the anxiety that comes with financial instability. I've seen firsthand the toll it can take. It's not just about the money, but the emotional and mental strain it causes. But here's the good news. It doesn't have to be this way. Change is possible, and it starts with a single step. You have the power to change your financial situation. It begins with a decision, a commitment to taking control of your money and building a better future for yourself. It starts with a decision, a commitment to taking control of your money and building a better future for yourself. It's about making informed choices and sticking to them. So, let's ditch the scarcity mindset and step into abundance. Let's believe in the possibility of a better financial future. Let's create a life where money is no longer a source of stress but a tool that empowers us to live our best lives. Together, we can make this change. Alright, let's talk about one of my favorite topics. OPM, other people's money. Yeah, you heard that right. This isn't about being shady or taking advantage of anyone. It's about being smart, resourceful, and leveraging every opportunity to build your wealth. Think about it. Every successful business, every real estate mogul, every investor at the top of their game has used OPM to get there. They understand that sometimes you need to borrow money to make money. Now, I'm not saying go out and rack up a ton of debt. That's not the play. What I am saying is that you need to be open to exploring different financing options, whether it's a business loan, a real estate investment with a partner, or even crowdfunding your next big idea. Here's the key. You need to have a solid plan, a clear vision for how you're going to use that OPM to generate a return. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, to get creative with your financing. There are more options available today than ever before. OPM can be a powerful tool to accelerate your journey to financial freedom, but you need to approach it strategically and responsibly. Alright, enough talk. It's time to get serious. Let's get down to brass tacks and focus on the essentials. You're here because you want to know how to turn $5 into $5,000 in a week, right? Well, it's possible, but it requires a solid plan. So, let's break it down step by step. We'll cover each phase in detail. First things first, that $5, that's your seed money. It's the foundation of your journey. It's not about what you can buy with it, it's about what you can build with it. Think of it as a starting point. It's about creating something valuable from almost nothing. We're going to leverage that $5 to provide value, to offer a service, or to create a product, to create something that people are willing to pay for. This is where your creativity comes into play. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is going to take hustle and determination. This is going to take hustle. You'll need to put in the hours and the effort. This is about tapping into your skills, your passions, and your network. Can you bake? Maybe you have a hidden talent. Offer a batch of cookies for $10. Good with your hands? Use your skills to create value. Do some odd jobs for your neighbors. Every little bit helps. Got a knack for social media? Use it to your advantage. Offer to manage someone's account. The point is, there are countless ways to make money. There are endless possibilities to make money with just a little bit of capital and a whole lot of hustle. The opportunities are out there. Once you've got that initial investment back, reinvest it. Scale up your operation. Offer more services, expand your reach. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience is key. But with consistent effort, strategic thinking, and a clear vision, and a whole lot of heart, you can achieve your goals. You can turn that $5 into $5,000 and beyond. The sky's the limit. Look, success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of consistent action, day in and day out. So, let's break down the key elements of a winning workday that will set you on the path to financial freedom. First up, mindset is everything. You gotta wake up with purpose, with energy, with the belief that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Next, prioritize your tasks. What are the most important things you need to accomplish today to move the needle forward? Don't get bogged down in busy work. Focus on the high-impact activities that will generate results. Time management is crucial. Treat your time like the valuable commodity it is. Minimize distractions, set boundaries, and stick to your schedule. Don't be afraid to delegate or outsource tasks that can be done by others. Free up your time and energy to focus on your zone of genius. And finally, never stop learning. The world is changing rapidly, and you need to stay ahead of the curve. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend workshops, invest in your personal and professional development.
Listen up, because this is crucial. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Think about that for a second. Are you surrounding yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and push you to be your best self? Or are you letting negative, pessimistic, and unambitious people drain your energy and hold you back? If you want to achieve financial success, you need to surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. Network with mentors, connect with successful entrepreneurs, join mastermind groups, learn from the best, model their behavior, and absorb their knowledge. Remember, your network is your net worth. The right connections can open doors, provide valuable insights, and accelerate your journey to the top. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire, to ask for advice, to offer value. You'd be surprised how willing people are to help when they see your genuine desire to learn and grow. So take a look around you. Are the people you're spending time with lifting you up or holding you back? It's time to level up your circle and unlock your true potential.
All right, we've covered a lot of ground today. We talked about the power of money, the importance of mindset, the strategies for success. But none of it matters unless you take action. You have the knowledge, you have the tools, you have the potential to achieve anything you set your mind to. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is you. Don't let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold you back any longer. Take that first step, however small it may seem. Start that side hustle, invest in that course, reach out to that mentor. Momentum is everything. Once you start taking action, you'll be amazed at how quickly things start to fall into place. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. There will be challenges along the way, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it's during those times that you need to dig deep, tap into your resilience, and keep pushing forward. The world needs your unique talents and perspectives. Don't deprive the world of your greatness any longer. Go out there and make it happen.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on achieving financial success. Let's make that $5,000 happen together. Seriously, I believe in you. You have the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Now go out there and make it happen.